Hi guys, we're just 2 days away from the Unpacked event where we're gonna see the S22 series. We pretty much know everything about the devices, so in this video we're gonna go over what regions are gonna get the Exynos 2200 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. We're also gonna go over what freebies you'll get when you pre-order the S22 Ultra and some really cool Samsung marketing for the S22 series. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the S22 Ultra is the most anticipated smartphone for the year because it combines the S and Note series into one device. Everyone is excited for the S22 Ultra, including Samsung. They're so excited they can't wait to show us the device, and that is obvious because this is the first time Samsung is putting its unreleased flagship in stores and online. They have an official S22 Ultra poster put up in an AT&T store in the US, and a similar poster was put on Samsung's official Facebook page. They also put up a really cool advert in multiple major cities across the globe that shows a tiger meddling with light, which I think is a teaser for the S22 Ultra's improved night photography. The tiger also breaks out of the glass cage, which is in line with Samsung's marketing phrase, "break the rules of light." I think it's a really cool advert, and I'm really excited to see what the S22 Ultra's camera can do. So we know the S22 series is gonna come in both Exynos and Snapdragon variants. Now we know what regions is getting the Exynos 2200. So North America, China, Japan, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and South Korea are gonna get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And Europe, CIS, Southwest Asia, Middle East, and Africa are gonna get the Exynos 2200. So depending on where you are, you know what variant you're gonna get. Anyway, I don't think people should be worried about the performance of the Exynos 2200 because it's more or less gonna be on par with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, especially in the CPU department, and it might manage the heat and throttling better, which is always a good thing. Anyway, you can pre-order the S22 Ultra right after the Unpacked event on the 9th, and depending on where you are, you're either gonna get a $200 Samsung credit that can be used to buy anything on Samsung's website, or a Galaxy Watch 4, and some regions are gonna get the Galaxy Buds Pro, which tells me there isn't gonna be a new pair of Galaxy Buds. In some places, you could also get a $200 cashback. Either way, you're gonna get the equivalent of $200 when you pre-order the S22 Ultra. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.